This video will show you how to make a cinemagraph. First, you have to take a 3 to 5 second video clip. You can do this with your phone or a school camera of something moving. Now remember, a cinemagraph has most of the frame frozen in time and then a little portion of it moving like a video. So you're going to open up Photoshop and open up your video clip just like you would any other photo. Just open or file open. Here's my short video. And if your timeline doesn't show up, which I think it automatically does when you open a video, if not, you're going to go to Window, Timeline, and that will bring up your timeline panel. So now if you look over in the Layers panel, you're going to see a video group and then your video. You're going to take your video and place it above the video group. Look for that blue line there to show you there. We're going to delete the video group by dragging it to the little trash can and then duplicate this video clip. So we have one below and one above. If you can't see if your video clip is super tiny, this little slider here will make it a more manageable size. All right, now we're going to take the top video layer and rasterize it. You can do that by right-clicking on this layer and click on Rasterize Layer. And then we're going to mask out the area that we want to show the movement. So go to any selection tool. It could be any of these. And when you do that, this Select and Mask option pops up. Click on that. Choose this brush tool. Under View, choose Overlay, which shows this very clearly. And then you're going to just paint over the area of that you want to show the movement. And, you know, I want to keep the hand still and just let this pendulum of yarn move. Now, of course, make sure that you're masking out the whole area where you're going to see the movement, or else it'll sort of like disappear mid, in my case, like mid-swing. So I want to make sure that I've got that whole area available there. And then you're going to click on the Invert button. If you don't see it, notice that this is a slider. So it's going to look like that. The output settings, we want to be a layer mask, and we're going to click OK. All right, now I believe what happens, oh, the other thing is you can choose the portion of the video to show. This will show the end, and this will be the beginning, okay? My clip, I can have the whole thing, but if you wanted to sort of just keep a portion of your clip, not the whole one, maybe somebody's doing something goofy in the middle, you can just click here and then you'll start the video here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit and let's take a peek. I'm going to click on the play button. Let's see what that looks like. All right. And you can see the that ball of yarn moving. If there is sound, it sounded like there was a little bit of sound. When we export it as a GIF, it won't include the sound. Now we will save it as a GIF, and we're going to do that just like we did our other GIFs. We're going to go to File, Export, Save for Web Legacy. And just click Save. Make sure you're paying attention to where it's saving the file. Title it something. Leave the .gif and click Save. And then turn it into Google Classroom just like you normally would. I'll show you how to view it beforehand to test it out. If you go to your file management and you double click and open with Chrome, then you should be able to, this is a little bit too zoomed in, then you should be able to see the cinemagraph working. So notice it does have a little bit of a funny area right there, so I didn't get the perfect mask. So I could go in there and touch that up by refining my mask, but otherwise I think it looks pretty cool. Have fun.